Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with my friend Alex, who is finally going to go ahead and install a cooling fan on his KTM 6 days so that no one in the comment sections on YouTube will ever flame him again. No more shade, okay? He will no longer have a $20,000 bike without a $100 radiator fan. How's that feel?
Feels great.
Okay, all right. So I promised him that the Tusk fan that is designed for this bike will work with his Enduro Engineering radiator guards, but it actually won't. There's a hack that I did on mine. Without any further ado, we're just gonna show you guys how we make this work so that you too could run the best radiator guards and probably one of the best fans. I don't know, sorry Trail Tech, your shit's too expensive. Let's get into it. Wait, what sharpens your vision, Alan?
These glasses.
So this is the fan, and it doesn't fit over that radiator guard from Enduro Engineering because they're the exact same dimensions. So in order to make this work, Alex has got a specialty tool right there. That's a custom, it's a KTM specialty tool. For some people use it for chain removal. We're gonna use it for poaching. We're gonna use it for poaching. Alex is grinding and he just takes his goggles off that he put on that increase and enhance his vision and goes, "It's hard to see with these." Oh shit. She's gonna go. Yeah. See ya. We don't need that. That part doesn't do anything for us. It's weird to spend like $120 on something and just cut it in half, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm not happy about that. I feel like they shouldn't make it for the guards.
Yeah, there you go. We're almost there. And you can see how the holes, actually on yours, it looks like the holes are gonna line up just fine. Now that one's gonna need just a little bit of, no, look. I think you're gonna need to open that hole up just a little bit. Yeah, you're gonna need chainsaw file, just a tiny little bit in that hole. You sure? Right in the center. Yeah, because you've got this post that's getting in the way. I mean, I guess you could also probably take and just file down that so you could get closer with it, but I think it's just easier to...
What's that?
That's the riv nut that they...
Yeah, if we just file that down a hair.
Yeah, you can do that. That's all there is to it. It's mounted, it's wired. The only thing we had to do differently because of the Enduro Engineering braces is just cut off the outside or the inside bracket, but you can see it's still extremely, how are you gonna break that? You don't need both sides. Get rid of one side, run the best braces, run the best fan, and you know, practice your pivot turns or your wheelies, whatever, same thing.